guys, welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and in case you're new to the channel, I do upload 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. So if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. But for you regular subscribers out there, this is a very different video than I normally do. I do have some car content coming later in the video. Obviously, you can see that from the thumbnail, but some of it you have seen before, some of it you have not seen before. So you'll get to see that in a second. Right now, the weather has just gotten really bad here again. It's cold and rainy. That's why I'm in this coat right now, even though I'm in my garage. It's cold outside. Actually, we had 2 great days last week, but it was in the middle of the week. We had 704s in North Carolina, for those that do not know, Charlotte actually. And we had 2 70-degree days last week, and it was just gorgeous. But unfortunately, they were in the middle of the week, where I really couldn't get away from work and film, and it gets dark at like 5 or 6 o'clock. But I still wanted to give you guys something to view this week, and I had a couple of updates. Let me just run through them real quick before we get to the main part of the video. One is the subscriber giveaway. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, check the link in the description below. But at 200 subscribers, I am giving away some underdrive pulleys that have never been used. They're for a FoxBody. They should work on any 87 to 93 engine. It may even work on older 302 engines before that. But yeah, for the subscriber giveaway, when we do reach 200 subscribers, I am going to give these underdrive pulleys away. So stay tuned for that, because we're growing really fast lately, guys. 141 subscribers as I am recording this video. So that's a lot faster than I thought, which is great. And I appreciate all the support you guys have for me thus far. It's really been awesome. Just as a reminder, here's actually the pulleys themselves. You can see that they're still packaged in here. So I'm definitely hoping to give these away and hope somebody can put them to a good home. So yeah, as soon as we get to that 200, I will go ahead and post a video on how you can win these. But yeah, so that's the update on the giveaway. And then also the other update is for my project. And for those of you guys that aren't following me on Instagram right now, it's at Gearhead 704. I'll put it up on the screen. But where you need to follow that is I actually have updates about my project, my FoxBody, you know, that's missing from here. Hopefully most of you guys know about that project. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a playlist to all the project videos below, and the car's getting painted. But so if you want to see more updates on that, because the videos are usually about a week behind or so, you can actually find out what's going on my Instagram. So follow me there if you want to see the most current updates on the project and what's happening with it. It's actually moving along pretty well. I'm pretty excited about it. But yeah, so those are the big 2 things, the giveaway, the Instagram, and I just appreciate all the support. The 2 videos you're about to see, one that was in the thumbnail, is just the full rev battle between me and Derek when he had his C7 Corvette. It's just a little bit longer than what was in that video. And also, if you want to check that video out and you haven't seen it, link in the description below. I just wanted to put a separate one out on that. Also, the next video, exhaust clip on the end of just the Mustang, just revving through the gears, just some exhaust there. There will be an upload on Saturday after this one, and we'll have a full update on the car, what's going on over at Our Dream Auto, how it's progressing. And yeah, let's go ahead and cut to the footage. I'll crank mine up, then you crank yours up, then I'll rev it, then you'll rev it. How about that?
I won't make you sign a waiver before you get in there.
All right, that's fine. He's not kidding, folks.
Go ahead.
If you want to get in at the same time.
Same side by side.
Yeah, that way we'll just go back. Crank mine sounded better. I think the Mustang killed it, to be honest. You know, obviously it's just a stock C7, so not really modified exhaust, and the Mustang is not stock, for those of you guys that don't know. And then if you really want to stick around, you know, to see everything, the next video was a car show that we had here back in September. And I was gonna make a video about it, but I didn't actually end up making a full video, but I still have some footage of the cars. So I'm just gonna throw that in. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed those clips, especially the exhaust sounds of the Mustang. I love listening to that. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button. If you are stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.